Let's go, baby. I just did this little project right here, which essentially does this to the LED. Wait. Oh yeah. Just changes colors really. And this starter kit, this guide, it doesn't really explain how to do it. I was just kind of following the code and trying to make shit make sense, and eventually it got worked. I was having a pretty hard time getting the program to work, but then I realized that my freaking operator, my less than operator, was actually a greater than. So it was actually the other way around, and that's why the program wasn't working. But I fixed that, so now we're good to go. This is the code right here. Here's my for loop. I got 2 for loops. One of them is for the, I guess, the red light, and it kind of it starts at a value which represents its brightness, and then it slowly goes down to 0, which means it's not on. And then, so that's the first for loop, and then we have the second for loop. Our blue value is at the highest value, which means it's at its brightest. And as that goes down, it gets less bright, and then the green value gets brighter. Maybe we can see it. Should be coming up right there. See, and it slowly gets brighter, and then it resets, or it goes to orange, which I guess is a combination of. What is it a combination of? Yeah, I don't even freaking know, dude. Okay, so I just added another for loop that completes the entire loop. So that means it's going from super bright green or super bright red to bright green, then to bright oh my gosh, bright blue. So you can see this process here. We gotta wait. It's gonna start at red. Okay, we're at the beginning of the program. Then we're in the middle for loop, and then finally we're in the third for loop. And then now back to the first one. Let's go. Pretty sick. Here's the code. If it focuses. Yeah, you can see there. Void setup, and then we got. I don't know what this like. Does 10 represent 10 milliseconds, or what? Maybe I should play around with that. Cause I don't really know. I know the standard way, like delay, like 500, like this would be 500 milliseconds, but I don't know how it works with that hashtag define. Okay, we learning, boys.